Most people don't realize this. The home you buy could secretly control your money, your rules, and even your future. Before you sign anything, watch this.
What's the biggest mistake that people make when buying into a sectional title scheme?
Not doing their homework before they're buying into that sectional title development.
What would homework be? Is it checking the rules, the conduct? What would you suggest somebody does when they buy an apartment as their investment?
If you were a potential buyer, the number one thing is check the financials. Ask for the financials and ask for the rules, whether that's going to fit your lifestyle.
Is it pretty common to find those documents easily, or do you actually have to physically ask for them?
It is pretty common to find them. You just need to be when you buy from a seller or estate agents is there, you just ask them, can I please have the financials? Can I have the title deed? Can I have the sectional title plan and the rules? If they say they don't have any of that, then it's frowned upon because every seller has a title deed at the end of the day.